video is called Product Listing Mechanics, the Buy Box and Amazon as a Seller. Now we've thrown this into Module 2 because these are two items that are massive misconceptions among people that haven't sold on Amazon before. These are two things that, following the model that we're going to be teaching you and that you're learning right now, really in Module 2, these two things are not really going to matter for you, but I want to make sure that as an Amazon marketer and Amazon entrepreneur that you know what these are. So first off, what is the buy box? I'm going to go over to Amazon right now and show you exactly what the buy box is, what it's used for, and why it doesn't really matter for you. So now we're over on Amazon's website, and I want to show you exactly what the buy box is. So I just have a basic sleeping mask product pulled up. And as you can see here, it says the price is $13.59, but then here it says 4 new from $10.95. So what the buy box refers to is whoever will get the sale, whichever seller will get the sale whenever a consumer, you or I, is just shopping on Amazon and clicks the add to cart button. That's only going to go to one of these 4 sellers. So it happens to be the person that's ranked at the top. So when I click this, I already have it open, but I'll show you what these 4 sellers look like. So we have SB Naturals, we have Express Store, iCapsy, and some seller called At Your Door. So whenever somebody goes over here and they click the add to cart button, that order is going to go to this seller, SB Naturals, which is why if you look over here, you can see sold by SB Naturals and fulfilled by Amazon. So that's what the buy box is. It means whenever somebody clicks this, it goes to that seller. So all these other sellers, all these other 3 that you see here, the only time they get sales is whenever this person either runs out of stock or somebody clicks for new and goes over here and picks a different one. This is a very small percentage of total Amazon sellers. So if you're selling the same product as everyone else, then you're fighting tooth and nail to get in that buy box, which is a whole game in and of itself, which is a lot of the times driven by price. And you want to make sure you're using Fulfillment by Amazon. But this is not something you're going to have to worry about because following the model that we teach you in Amazing Selling Machine, there will be no other sellers for your product. There will be no for new. It'll just be you selling this product because you're selling your own unique product. So you won't have to worry about any other sellers. You won't have to worry about the buy box. And it'll really be something you never have to think about. So this is a great thing for you. So now that you know what the buy box is, another question people may have is what if Amazon is the seller? You'll notice this if you look at a product on Amazon, it says ships from and sold by Amazon.com. I'm going to go over and show you exactly what that looks like on Amazon so you know what to look for. It's another thing that's not really going to matter, and I'll explain more of that when we're over on Amazon's website. So another thing a lot of people bring up whenever they're, looking at products to sell on Amazon, they're new to this space, trying to figure things out, is they wonder what happens if you go to a product like this and it says ships from and sold by Amazon.com. Does that mean it's just not a product worth competing with? Does that mean it's, something that Amazon's already owning that they're just gonna, not let anybody sell it? Not the case whatsoever. That's this one product, this one coconut oil product happens to be shipped from and sold by Amazon. All that means is Amazon has contacted the manufacturer of this product and asked them if Amazon itself can buy that product wholesale and sell it on their site. As you can see, there's still 61 other sellers of the same exact product. But the cool thing is that this is not going to matter to you because, for example, if you were to come here and create your own private label coconut oil product, then you would just be another product in the listing. So, for example, if I went over to Amazon.com, did a search for coconut oil, and you could see you could be this product right here that's your own brand. You could be, Matt's coconut oil or, obviously whatever your name is or whatever brand name you want to choose. And then here would be this product that Amazon's selling. Because you'd be your own brand, then Amazon couldn't sell it unless they asked you, and which is actually a really cool thing because this has happened to a few people we know, a few people we've taught this model to. Amazon will actually start asking you to buy your product wholesale. They'll buy 30 months or they'll buy 30 days ahead of supply. So they'll buy basically a month's supply from you in advance. And they'll go out there, start selling your product, and start doing all kinds of crazy marketing stuff. But that's a whole nother discussion. But basically, you'd be another seller here. Amazon would be selling this product. Other than that, it wouldn't matter. You'd both be ranking for coconut oil. You'd both be ranking in the categories. So it's just another thing you don't have to worry about. So these are two things, the buy box and ships from and sold by Amazon.com, that you don't really have to worry about too much following the model that we teach you. So I just want to clear those two things up. So yeah, get ready for the next video.